Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So how you can change your account type, okay, standard or administrator, okay, admin, okay. So how we can do that, let's see. Okay, so first I have to go in the settings. So click start bar and go to setting and search the setting. You can go to the settings. Okay, so go to settings and you can see here in the left hand side we can see the accounts option. So click on account. Okay, you have click on account and slide little bit down and you can see the other users here. Okay, the click on other users. When you click on other users you can see the local test user here. I have recently created, so you can see we have a option change account type. Okay, so click on change account type. When you click on change account type you can see currently this user is a standard user and I can make this user to administrator. Okay, so I can make this user administrator and I click the administrator and click OK. Now this user is a administrator user. Okay, so it have full permission and he can do anything in your computer. This user can do anything in your computer. So how you can create a user, you have to just click here. That's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Bye.